Trade Genius.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip with Trade Genius. I wanted to talk a little bit about the tether that was printed today. There was $250 million worth of USD tethers, and if you're not familiar with what that is, that's what people will use to convert their dollars into like a crypto proxy for those dollars, because some exchanges can't deal with US dollars directly. So like, for example, Bittrex and Poloniex in the US, they don't do dollars, they use USDT, which is a tether. So it's pegged to the dollar, so it's like having your dollars but in crypto form. And there's always been a debate about whether or not they truly hold the amount of money. They're supposed to be backing each tether that's printed by $1, so they can't just print, like the Fed does. They just can't print money out of thin air. So there was a bunch of tethers issued, 250 million, and so generally the thought is that when that happens, that's bullish. But I wanted to show you guys that, and actually this was something that was done by Yerb on TradingView, username Yerb, but he did a good job. He basically highlighted everywhere that there were tethers that printed, and as you can see, it's not really bullish or bearish in my view. It's, if we're going up and tethers are printing, we still go up, and if we're coming down and tethers are printed, we still come down. Not really seeing much of a bias one way or the other related to whether they're printed. So if you guys have seen that news or saw that somewhere on Twitter or elsewhere, I just wanted you to know that this is an interesting chart that plots all the times they were issued large issuances of tether, and really doesn't have one bias one way or the other. So don't get caught up into thinking that that's going to push prices higher, because it really is just could go either way. One thing I wanted to let you guys know too, in the room, we're doing Nadex binary options. If you're not familiar with that, Nadex is nadex.com. We're not affiliated with them, so but what we do is we're able to issue calls. We do calls on the S&P 500, and that's based on the S&P 500 futures, which is ES. Bob does those. Does a really good job. It's a profitable system there. We also will do it on Forex. So if we're not trading cryptos, we will do binary options just about every day. So if the crypto markets are quiet or it's just not optimal time beginning long, we focus on these as well. So we're doing both things in the room, cryptos and binary options. Our US 500 trades program we started, we're at like 16-2 on those, very profitable. And then our Forex, which we've been doing for almost 2 years now, we're basically at 98 and 5 on those. So very, very profitable systems. Again, you can start with very little money. And basically the way it works is, let's just say we have a contract here and we want to buy it. We click on this pound dollar contract, for example. You can get it for $80. That means what happens is you're going to potentially pocket close to $20 in profit by buying this contract. When you buy this contract, you're saying that price is going to be higher than 32.20 in a little over 6 hours. Our probability engine will crunch that data and tell us if we have a high probability trade or not, and if it meets our criteria, we issue the signal. So very high probability, high win rate, high profit system, and that's what we do in the room. So I know we've mentioned it. I thought I would explain that a little bit more in today's video. Just head over to tradelikeagenius.com and you can join us. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to share that tidbit about tethers. Not really a bullish or bearish signal at all. And I will see you on tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Take care, guys.
Trade Genius.